Sean Hyman from MyWealth.com, and I want to talk to you today of what I believe to be the safest FX play in the entire FX world. And so I want to give you my reasons and back this up for you and lay it out and show you how I came to this conclusion. So let's go ahead and get started.
Be sure to check out the written blog at www.mywealth.com/blog. I want to talk to you today about potentially the safest Forex play in the entire FX world. That's a pretty bold statement, but I think you'll understand why here as we go over this. Today, UBS reported that the Swiss National Bank, which is their central bank, may have spent as much as 35 billion francs, or about $32 billion, in order to stop the currency from appreciating. So they're very serious about pushing their currency downward. The head of their central bank, Roth, and as well as their governing board member, Jordan, have both stated recently that they will continue to intervene and halt any gains by the Swiss currency. Now, this doesn't mean like if the currency appreciates a pip or two or three that they're going to go in there and do something about it. But any material increases, it looks like they are prepared to fight off. So what have they been buying as they've been selling off these francs? Let's take a look. Well, according to the S&B's website, they've increased their foreign currency holdings recently by 46%. That's enormous. They bought up about $6.7 billion. They've bought up 11.7 billion euros and only about 40 million British pounds. So this is confirmed by the S&B on their site. Again, since this, it could have been even greater. But we know for sure, documented by the S&B, that the focus has been on selling francs and buying euros, as we can see, as there's been literally about twice as many euros bought as even US dollars. So the focus is on the euro Swiss franc pair and that exchange rate. Why? Most of their exports go to the remainder of Europe and not to the U.S. Therefore, first and foremost, they're concerned with the franc to euro relationship, and this is why it's their focus, and really why it should be ours focus too, to focus on the euro Swiss franc pair. So if they're buyers, then you and I probably should be too. So as they're selling francs and buying euros, they're essentially buying the euro Swiss franc pair. Now, I want to give you three reasons why I believe this to be the safest play in the entire FX world right now. And again, this is just my opinion, but here are my three reasons. Number one, the S&B is spending billions to sell francs and to buy euros, so why not join their party? I mean, if you know that somebody is on the same side of the trade as you and they have such deep pockets that they're spending billions to push something in your direction, then I think that's a huge caveat right there. Number two, though, even more importantly, the trend is now upward as of June. Now, this is even more important, in my opinion, than point one. Big money managers are trend followers, and so you'll see some more fresh buying come into this pair shortly as their systems pick up on the new trend. So again, the trend is your friend. You should always trade with the trend. They've been intervening since before they pushed the trend to an upward trend, but now that you've got both points 1 and 2 going in your favor, it's even more important. And here's the third reason: with our broker, you can earn some interest daily per mini lot as you wait on further appreciation in the euro Swiss franc currency pair that you've bought. So again, you want to be a buyer of this euro Swiss franc pair, in my opinion. Check out the daily chart, daily 1-year chart of the euro Swiss franc pair on the next slide. You'll notice that for months now, even since November actually, there has continued to be higher lows put in on the euro Swiss franc pair, but it has not gone past this downtrend line until sometime in June, which is the blue circled area that you've seen. It pushed above its downtrend line, it pulled back to it, it held above it, and by any technical metric you want to use, this thing is in a full-blown uptrend now. It's broken its downtrend line, it's come above its 50 period simple moving average, which you see there on the chart. The 50 SMA is above the downtrend line. The pair trades above its 200 simple moving average as well. So basically, any technical metric you want to use to determine trend, I think any technician would not argue that this is in a full-blown uptrend now. Again, so you've got them selling billions of francs and buying billions in euros. You've got the trend up, and you can actually earn some interest while you wait on appreciation. Again, three huge reasons why I believe that this, in my opinion, again, is the safest play in all of FX right now. And these plays don't come along every day because the last time they did a solo intervention was back in 1992. So, if you're ready to get started in currencies but need to learn more, if you want to take a currency course, you can click on that first Go Here highlighted area. If you want a free demo account to see how these things actually function in real time with real-time charts, real-time quotes, you can click on the second highlighted here area. And then if you want to actually get started with a live Forex account today and get started on plays like this, you can click on the Get Started Here link. And then finally, if you want to see more YouTube videos from me or follow us on Twitter, you can click on the final two links. And again, this is at the bottom of the written blog as well. But whatever you do, get a hold of us. Get started with us today. I've highlighted the link above that can take you to the exact page, or from mywealth.com's homepage, you can click on the Active Traders link and view the video. That'll tell you a lot about the currency course that you can get involved with. You can literally click on the chat area that I have circled to chat with us to find out more about us, about the courses, about trading Forex. You can call us at 1-866-255-9677. It's 1-866-255-9677, or you can simply just click on the Enroll Now button that I've got highlighted there as well. But whatever you do, don't wait. Get in a course. Get educated today at www.mywealth.com.
I hope you enjoyed that today. You know, anytime that you can see where a central bank with deep pockets is avidly doing something, they're selling francs, they're buying euros, for instance, they're going to be doing it for an extended period of time, possibly into 2010 in my opinion. That's a huge reason to hop on board. But even bigger reason is the trend. The trend being your friend is a huge one. So you've got an uptrend. You've got the central bank selling francs, having your back, so to speak, and then you also get to earn some daily interest while you're in this play as well. So 3 good reasons why I believe somebody should be in the Euro Swiss franc at this point in time. Go ahead and get started in one of our courses, or download a demo from those links below. Get started with a live account if you're ready to do that. You can go to mywealth.com and check us out, and you can scroll to the bottom of the written blog today and get all the links that you need as well. Thanks so much for joining us. I appreciate it. Thanks so much for viewing my articles and taking the time to view this video today. Bye-bye.